Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Better Homes Designs, the place where we turn architectural dreams into reality. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button, or share this video to your friends and family. Welcome back to Better Homes Designs. Today, we are diving deep into a style that has captured hearts for over a century, the two-story Craftsman house. This architectural masterpiece isn't just a place to live. It's a celebration of hand-built quality and thoughtful artistry. The meaning of a two-story Craftsman house design lies in its roots in the late 19th century arts and crafts movement. It represents a deliberate move away from the mass-produced, overly ornate Victorian styles of the past, focusing instead on honesty in construction and the use of natural materials. When we talk about a two-story version of this classic, we are looking at a home that prioritizes human-scale comfort and functional beauty across two levels. It is defined by its low-pitched gabled roofs, wide overhanging eaves with exposed rafters or decorative brackets, and deep, welcoming front porches supported by thick, tapered columns. Inside and out, the Craftsman philosophy emphasizes visible craftsmanship, where every joint, beam, and stone serves both a structural and an aesthetic purpose. Choosing a two-story Craftsman design offers a unique blend of historical charm and modern efficiency. One of the primary benefits is the maximized living space on a smaller footprint. By building upward, you preserve more of your yard for landscaping or outdoor activities while maintaining a spacious interior. These homes are renowned for their curb appeal and warmth, often feeling more cozy and personal than modern minimalist structures. The architectural layout typically promotes a clear division between public and private spaces, with communal living areas on the ground floor and quiet bedrooms nestled away on the second level. Additionally, because the Craftsman style relies on durable materials like stone, brick, and high-quality wood, these homes tend to age gracefully and hold significant market value, appealing to those who appreciate a home with a distinct soul and permanent character. Decorating the exterior of a two-story Craftsman requires a balance of texture and a palette inspired by nature. To make your home look its best, start by highlighting the architectural details with a multi-tonal paint scheme. Use earthy greens, deep blues, or warm grays for the main siding, and a crisp white or cream for the trim to make the gables and windows pop. Texture is your best friend here. Consider mixing materials by using stone veneers on the porch pillars and foundation while using cedar shakes or horizontal lap siding on the upper floors. Lighting plays a crucial role as well. Install mission-style or lantern-type fixtures made of rubbed bronze or copper to illuminate the entryway. Finally, don't forget the landscaping. A Craftsman home looks most at home when surrounded by wilder garden elements like perennial flower beds, stone pathways, and low shrubs that soften the transition between the sturdy house and the earth. While the core principles remain the same, there are several distinct styles within the two-story Craftsman family. The classic bungalow style is often adapted into a story and a half or full two-story layout, featuring heavy tapered columns and deep porches. The modern Craftsman is a popular contemporary take, stripping away some of the heavier ornamentation in favor of cleaner lines and larger windows, while keeping the signature gabled roof lines. There is also the mission-style Craftsman, which incorporates smooth stucco surfaces and tiled roofs, lending a warmer, southwestern feel to the structure. Another favorite is the stick-style variation, which emphasizes the verticality of the two-story home through exposed timber framing and decorative trusses in the gables. Each of these styles prioritizes the marriage of form and function, ensuring the home feels both sturdy and inviting. Now for the moment you've been waiting for. Let's walk through the top 10 best two-story Craftsman house design ideas and pull out the best design elements from each one that showcase the potential of this building method. One, the classic suburban Craftsman with stone accents. This design showcases a perfect harmony between traditional gray siding and rugged stone pedestals. The expansive front porch, adorned with classic red rocking chairs, creates a nostalgic and welcoming atmosphere that is quintessential to the Craftsman spirit. Its multiple gabled roof lines provide a complex and visually interesting silhouette that commands attention. 2. Modern charcoal and white farmhouse fusion. A stunning example of how Craftsman elements can blend with modern farmhouse aesthetics. The bold contrast between the dark gray vertical siding and crisp white accents gives this two-story home a sophisticated, high-end feel. The prominent wooden pillars at the entrance add a touch of organic warmth, perfectly complemented by the seasonal porch decor and sleek concrete driveway. 3. Coastal blue shingle style Craftsman. This home utilizes beautiful blue-gray shingles to evoke a serene, coastal vibe. The symmetry of the white trimmed windows and the unique circular window in the primary gable add a touch of elegance. The dark garage doors provide a grounding element to the light-filled facade, while the manicured greenery enhances its polished look. 4. Elegant white board and batten masterpiece. Simplicity meets grandeur in this all-white Craftsman design. The use of vertical board and batten siding emphasizes the home's height, while the oversized windows allow for an abundance of natural light to flood the interior. The warm wood of the double front doors and the porch bench provides just enough natural contrast to keep the design feeling cozy and grounded. 5. Multi-tonal earthy Craftsman with grand entryway. This design celebrates the arts and crafts heritage through a complex palette of olive, tan, and slate blue. The massive, tiered gables create a sense of shelter and protection, while the textured stone walkway and rock-filled garden beds integrate the home seamlessly with its natural surroundings. The heavy wooden door serves as a beautiful focal point for the entire facade. 6. Slate blue gables with arched stonework. A creative take on the style featuring a unique arched stone entryway that breaks up the traditional linear geometry of the Craftsman look. The soft blue-gray siding pairs beautifully with the natural variations in the stonework. The white window surrounds and decorative sticks in the gables provide a clean, rhythmic pattern that defines the upper story. 7. Contemporary urban Craftsman with wood inlays. Pushing the boundaries of the style, this home uses dark horizontal siding paired with warm wood ceilings on the balconies to create a luxury urban retreat. The prominent stone columns provide structural weight, while the large black-framed windows and glass railings give it a modern, airy feel. It's a perfect bridge between traditional craftsmanship and 21st century architecture. 8. Traditional gray gable with bold red entry. This design proves that a single pop of color can transform a classic gray Craftsman home. The bright red front door stands out against the neutral siding and shingles, creating a cheerful and memorable focal point. The compact footprint and simple gables make this an ideal choice for smaller lots without sacrificing architectural character. 9. Sunset glow stone and cedar estate. Captured in the golden hour, this home highlights the beauty of mixing stone veneer with horizontal siding. The warm lighting from the porch and interior windows emphasizes the various textures used throughout the build. The side-loading garage with decorative glass panels keeps the focus on the main architectural beauty of the living space. 10. Soft lavender and white airy Craftsman. A gentle and refreshing color palette makes this two-story Craftsman stand out in any neighborhood. The light lavender gray siding is perfectly framed by white columns and a matching picket fence, creating a charming, storybook appearance. The brick foundation and lush flower beds add layers of color and texture that enhance its undeniable curb appeal. The two-story Craftsman house remains a timeless choice for anyone looking to build or buy a home that values detail, durability, and a sense of history. Whether you prefer the dark, moody tones of a modern interpretation or the light, airy feel of a coastal bungalow, the Craftsman style offers endless possibilities to express your personality through architecture. If you enjoyed exploring these stunning designs, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Better Homes Designs for more architectural inspiration. Which of these top 10 designs was your favorite? Let us know in the comments below. We'd love to hear your thoughts on your dream Craftsman home.